Hey mamas, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Shaded by Jade. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jade, aka Shaded by Jade. Y'all, I'm feeling so good today. My hair is done. This is Dare to Have Hair, of course. I'm gonna put all the information in the description box. Make sure you guys go follow her. She's having a big sale for Black Friday, so y'all need to go check her out. And of course, on my lips, I have Shaded by Jade No Basic and Cocoa Puff Lip Liner. So yesterday, my girlfriend Sia came over to do my hair. I'm gonna upload that in this video as well of me getting my hair done. But I'm thinking today we're just gonna vlog, guys. Also, I have on this cute little set. I think I'm going to have Celines in this vlog too. I need to clean up my house, go get some more cereal for her milk, some more milk. I need to clean up, and I don't know, we could just chit chat. I don't really have much to do today, but we could just chit chat, y'all. But I'm just loving my hair. This wig was purple, and then we dyed it blue. So cute. So y'all know I've been on like this workout journey. I also have a new business that I just launched called BlUE.com. I sell slippers, workout sets like this cute one, and I also have cute little rings on there as well. I'm gonna show you guys the rings in a second. My nails are not done, so don't talk shit, please. But yeah, there's not really much going on today. I just said I was gonna be more consistent, and I'm keeping up with that. But yeah, I'm about to get Celines dressed so you guys can see her and all that good stuff. Okay, so yeah. Okay guys, so right now I'm in my bathroom. I'm about to give Celine a bath. Now of course I'm not giving her a bath in her bathroom because she has a shower and she can't get in the shower, you know. So I'm about to give her a bath. Normally I give her a bath at nighttime, but she really needs a bath because she kept throwing up all over herself and it got in the back of her hair, and she has dry scalp that I just want to really wash out. This is the wash that I wash her up with. It's by Noodle & BlUE. And then I use Shea Moisture Mango Carrot for her hair, the shampoo and conditioner. And then I use this little thing to rinse her hair. This is what I use. This is by Frida Baby. I use this to scrub her scalp, and it's so soft so you won't hurt her. Well, you won't hurt your baby if you use this on the scalp. It's by Frida Baby. Can y'all see? Yep. It has conditioner in it, so I'm about to wash her up and you guys can watch. I'm gonna show y'all what her hair looks like and everything once it's shampooed and all that good stuff. Look, y'all, gave her a mohawk. I take this with the shampoo in her hair and just rub. But this is the lotion that I use on her, so I'm gonna lotion her up. And then I put this on her face. Stop kicking me. And then I'm going to get her dressed and do her hair. You was being a bad girl. You was being a bad girl, Celine. She don't care, y'all. So while she's chilling on her boppy, I'm just going to do her hair. So I use this Shea Moisture detangling spray. And then I also use Jamaican black castor oil on her scalp. This helps her hair stay moisturized and it's helping her hair grow a lot. I just put the Jamaican black castor oil in this bottle, so I gotta refill it. And then this is what I use as like a leave-in conditioner. So these three products work amazing on my baby girl's hair. So I'm about to style her hair and you guys will see when I'm done. Show them your hair, mama. She is all done. This is her hair. Celine. Hey, mommy. Her bows are a little lopsided. Hey, mommy, 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 mommy. Hi, mommy. Hi, Celine. Celine. We're all done. So hopefully you guys like this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I got lip gloss on her face. She has makeup on her face. So God, she's acting up. Show them your hair. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much. And we will see you guys in the next video. I love you guys, and I will see you guys in the next video.